In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly integrate an RSS feed into your Shopify store using Elfsight. This is a fantastic way to enrich your store with dynamic content and keep your visitors engaged. We'll go through each step together, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. First, head over to Shopify. If you're not already familiar, Shopify is a robust e-commerce platform that powers thousands of online stores worldwide. It's known for its simplicity and range of customizable options. And today we're going to add another layer of functionality by incorporating an RSS feed. Once you're logged into Shopify, let's prepare to enhance our storefront by adding new content. Next, let's visit a site called Elfsight. Elfsight provides a variety of useful widgets that integrate easily with e-commerce and website platforms. When you arrive at elfsight.com, use the search bar to type in RSS and hit enter. You'll see an option called RSS feed pop up. This tool will allow us to pull in dynamic content that can keep our website fresh and engaging. Now select the RSS feed option. You'll be presented with a range of templates. These templates are pre-designed styles that can make your feed look polished and professional without needing to dive into complicated coding. Choose the template that best fits your store's aesthetic. Once you've made your choice, click on Continue. Here comes the interesting part, adding a source. Click the Add Source button. This is where you'll specify the RSS feed link you want to include in your store. After you've input the source, we move on to the final steps on Elfsight. Simply click the Publish button. This action generates a code just for your chosen RSS feed design. Copy this code carefully. With it, we're ready to switch back to our Shopify store and dive a bit into its backend. Now within Shopify, navigate to your online store and click on the three dots icon, which typically stands for more options. In this menu, you'll find the Edit Code option. Click on it. This action brings us to the code editor of Shopify's theme. What we're going to do is modify a section of the main theme layout, which is theme.liquid. Scroll down to the very last section of this page. Here you'll be able to paste the code that we copied earlier from Elfsight. Make sure you're placing it in the right position. Usually it should be near the closing tags of your HTML structure. This ensures the feed is embedded correctly without interfering with other functionalities of your store. Once you've pasted the code, take a moment to review any other changes you might have made and ensure everything looks as you expect. And that's it. Your RSS feed is now integrated into your Shopify page. This kind of setup allows your store to continuously update content without manually altering your shop's page, keeping it fresh and engaging for visitors without any extra work from you. You're all set, and your enhanced store is ready to impress visitors with dynamic content. Happy selling!